Good night. My name is Ángel Arturo Román Miranda. I am currently studying the technology and addicio at Sena. Today, I would like to talk about witness and my professional and academic life, focusing on nutritious physical activity and how they affect productivity. Nutrition and healthy health. Nutrition plays an important role in my daily life, performance, and my work meal are usually provided having things, so it's important to choose balanced meal with enough protein, vegetal, and whole grains. In this state, hydrated throughout the day when I have time, I also like to preparation homemade meal in the other processed food because I feel more energetic when I eat well. Physical activity and exercise. There is a clear connection between health and productivity. When I sleep well, it properly exercise regularly, I can concentrate better my study and complete my administrative tasks more effectively. On the other hand, strict and poor health reduce my performance. They give me organization, including the Army and educational institute like SENA. So promoting well program for the attack and student. Activity. The connection with his productivity when split health a proper and necessary regularly and can concentrate during my studying and complete my activities. The Army and educational institution like SENA so pro well program. Sleeping well, eating properly, and exercise regularly. Prepare this presentation and using information from relevant sources such as work, health organization, fact stick on healthy and physical activity. And the regularity of mental health at work, the soul here, my understanding, the connection, beauty, nutrition, exercise, and otherwise well-being. Thank you very much.